It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel it's divine.
Jervy,
It's enough
you
to
are my
let it
answered
flow,
prayer
let it be.
and God's greatest gift. You are my heart's safe place and my life's greatest adventure.
That I crave.
Iba kasi palagi yung kasal sa simbahan at kasal sa huwes. Sa kasal sa huwes, panghahawakan nyo, papel. Sa kasal sa simbahan, ang panghahawakan nyo, kasunduan. Covenant with God.
Yours to be held and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life.
Actually, start lang talaga to sa simple idea ng panganay ko. Sabi niya.
Tinanong ko si Papa, parang, Papa, magpapakasal ba kayo ni Mama? Then parang siguro nag-spark in po sa iutak ni Papa na, o nga parang pwede na pala.
Maintindihan niyo ako. Hindi niyo ako maintindihan, mag-iilonggo ako.
You and me, baby, loving like crazy, praying that it never ends. Yeah, you and me, darling, we've really got something the world just can't understand. Yeah, it's you and me, falling in love every day.
Siguro nakapag-adjust na kaming dalawa especially sa attitude. Magkaiba kami. Ako yung madaldal. Madaldal talaga ako. Siya hindi. Sobrang tahimik niya. Tapos most of the time, workaholic kasi yun. Sobrang sa trabaho talaga.
Planning trips on the weekends, living life like we're just kids. Pretty soon we'll have a few of our own in our very own.
Kaylin, do you take Jervy here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
You and me, darling, we've really got something the world just can't understand. Yeah, it's you and me, falling in love every day till we're both holding gray. Yeah, it's you and me, as long as we live, I'll never know a love like this.
Jervy and Kaylin, kayo ay nakikipagkasundo hindi lamang sa inyong sarili, bagkus higit sa lahat, kayo ay nakikipagkasundo sa Diyos.
I'll never know a love like this.
Civil wedding namin. May isang picture, wala kaming maayos. Wala kaming maayos na picture. So, parang lang siya. Madali ang kasal. So, hindi ko masyado na yung moment.
Let's go. Kaya parang na-excite din ako kasi, magpapapose pala si Papa. Magpapakasal pa sila, makakasuot ako ng suit.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took.
Siya kasi yung nagdesisyon talaga na ganito yung wedding ngayong araw na to kasi para pang 5th year na namin talaga na anniversary. So, nag-decide na siya na same date na din.
Never make it, but just look at us holding.
So, yun yung nagpasaya lalo sa sa event ko. Especially kayo yung mga importanteng tao sa buhay ko, no? So, yun lang.
We're strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Kay, from the moment I met you, I know my heart pounded so. You are my greatest joy, my calm in every storm, and the reason I smile a little longer each day.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together.
Jervy, do you accept Kayleen here present for your lawful wife according to the right of Holy Mother the Church? Yes, Father.
They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going.
I want to support your plans, goals, dreams, and walk with you through whatever life may bring. Through every season, I will be your partner, your best friend, and your home.
I vow to listen, to grow, to forgive, and to always choose us, even when life isn't easy. I will love you in the quiet moments and in the loud, in the ordinary and the extraordinary. With all that I am and all that I have, I promise to walk beside you for the rest of our days.
Yeah, you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
May God guide us, bless us, protect us, our journey to forever. Madamo gid nga salamat, kad palangga tagid ikaw forever.
You had me at my worst, and you also had me at my best. And I will promise in front of our sons that I will never ever break your heart.